Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X95 and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. Now, to get started, simply open up your standalone contacts application like this one right here. From there, tap on the three bars, select Settings, and then Import at the bottom. I'm going to select SIM card. This will then display all the contacts that are located on my SIM card. By default, they should all be selected as long as none of these contacts exist on my phone already. If they do, they will be deselected and grayed out, so don't worry. Obviously, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want yourself, and from there you can click on the checkbox. It will import selected contacts, and when you go back, you should be able to see them right here. Now, in my case, it automatically imported them to my phone. That's because I only had my phone as an option, but if I was logged into a Google account on this phone, when importing contacts, you can switch, oops, not this option. So when you have the option right here, you should have a drop down somewhere right here, and you will have an option to either select your device to import your contacts or the Google account, so you can choose whichever one you want. So anyway, once you import your contacts, you can swap between the different locations right here where you see this image of a phone or a Google account in your case, probably. When you tap on it, it gives you the option. So device, sometimes it gives you a SIM card, though it doesn't look like that's the case right here. And obviously below you should see Google account or device, depending on which one you have selected by default. And when you select it, it will then show you contacts from just this location. Now, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.